Galvanometer is the main component in analog meters which are used to measure current and voltage. Now, a multimeter which works on different principle is used instead. We will build our model similar to a tangent galvanometer. Let us take two ring magnets and coated copper wire. Plastic container is punched with lots of holes. Ring magnets are suspended in the center with the help of a thread. "100 tons of 36 gauge coated copper wire is wound around the container. Paper pointer is placed between the magnets. Container is rotated such that the magnets are aligned in north-south direction. This ensures that the pointer comes back when current stops flowing through the coil. Let us connect one AA battery across the terminals. We'll observe the deflection of the pointer. It moves quickly clockwise before coming back to its original position. Direction of magnetic field due to ring magnets is towards your right. We know that direction of magnetic field in the current carrying loop depends on the direction of current. Right now, it is away from you as per the right hand thumb rule. Pointer tries to align itself to a direction of net force. When current stops, it returns to its original position. We can say that deflection of pointer is the result of these magnetic field interactions. We know that value of magnetic field changes with intensity of current flowing through it. Let us connect resistors with different values in series. The magnitude of deflection changes as the less current flows through the coil. With this model, we cannot measure actual current values. However, we can visualize it when direction and magnitude or value of current changes. Do try these variations as well. Thank you.